Well, we all make mistakes. That's why they put erasers on pencils. Hey, I'm Jeff, Vice President Lead Agronomist here at Elite Lawn Care. And today we have an interesting video for you guys and gals. Looks like we put pre-emergent down on a customer's yard whose sod had not rooted down yet. Because of this, their yard has been going downhill fast. So of course, we're gonna take care of this and fix our mistake. We personally went out to this customer's home and tilled their whole yard and had fresh new sod installed. Here at Elite Lawn Care, we're always going to take care of our customers, and we will always right our wrongs. Here's some footage of us taking care of business and making things right again for our valued customer. Enjoy.